All right, welcome to another Backroad Review. This is the GiveBest wall heater. It is model PWM320EW. So one of the nice parts about the shipping box here, it's really well packaged and taped up and very well labeled. So let's open this up and see what we got. Right away, noticing some very nice packaging. This is designed to be put on a wall. So we got the mounting brackets here, GFCI protected plug. So it does come with a basic instructions and then a more detailed instructions, 1-year limited warranty. It does have a level, so when you are putting together your template on the wall, you can make sure that it's level. That's kind of nice. Don't see that usually built into these types of heater instructions. So tells you, basically everything you need to mount this. It does include the drywall anchors, remote, and then a support card, thank you card, and instruction manual. In English. Does have a phone app. That's pretty cool. I'll have to download that, test that out. Okay. So let's undo the plug here. And the prongs do have a plastic safety connections on them to make sure that these don't get damaged. Reset and test button. All right. The on-off switch here does have a nice covering, like a dust cap. Almost like it's a waterproof cap, but obviously you wouldn't want to be putting this near anything that has water on it. Let's see, does the remote come with batteries? Needs AAA batteries that are not included. We'll get some of those put in. All right, so with the unit plugged in, reset. Okay. So we'll turn the switch on the back. And you got a touch screen here. Go to different power levels. And the timer for letting it cool off before as you turn it off. It has a timer. Again, different power levels. Thermostat. And it does have a fan mode, so it's just on fan. Has some nice heat. It's very quiet. You can turn the fan up a little bit. And it does have a timer. So lots of different options here. I'm really liking what I'm seeing. And you can have the audio on or off. You can turn the Wi-Fi on and off. The Wi-Fi is on, and then you can use the app. So the app is Smart Life app. So you would download the Smart Life app, and you can control the unit with your phone, or you can control it with the remote. It doesn't come with batteries, and right now I don't have any AAA batteries, so that's what we got. Again, we're just holding the button down. It is a touch screen. So again, we can turn the audio off, we can turn the Bluetooth off, or the Wi-Fi off. And then when you go to turn the unit off, it does have the countdown again. So if you have it on heat, it's going to let that heater element cool down before it shuts down completely. Again, it's very quiet. And then taking a look at, again, the back of the unit here, it is ETV listed. I don't see, again, wall mount. It does have the contact information on there, and then the Quick Connect app. So the QR code is also right on the unit, which is nice. So you can, when you put the drywall anchors on, or when you put the anchor screws in, this is designed so you can take it on and off the wall. So you'll want to keep this fan clear. So you definitely want to do some maintenance on it once in a while to make sure that you don't have any dust on here. Follow your codes for where you can mount this. Again, stuff like mounting it to an outside wall that isn't insulated. That's definitely dangerous. You don't want to be doing that, and is a violation of most code. So again, you want to put this in an area that's out of direct sunlight and away from a window, somewhere where the temperature is stable. So when you're in temperature mode, it's going to go on and off, with the right temperature. If you put it near like a drafty window or something, then you're not going to, it's going to, the temperature of the unit is going to read differently than what the ambient temperature of the whole room is. It's it's lightweight. Doesn't really weigh a whole lot. We like this. This is a really nice unit. So we'll probably mount it in, there's really, because it has 3 power settings, you can do, lower draw or higher draw. You don't want to run these things on extension cords. I just have it plugged in because there is no direct outlet right here on the table. But you want to plug it directly into an actual, home electrical outlet. So the affiliate link is below. Check out the Amazon reviews on this wall heater. This is GiveBest. Again, really good company from what we've seen. Great reviews, and we're looking forward to using this as we come into fall and into winter. My name's Ryan with Backroad Reviews. Thanks for watching.